In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off AI features in DuckDuckGo browser. If you'd like a simpler browsing experience without AI-powered tools appearing throughout the browser, DuckDuckGo makes it easy to adjust those settings. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of disabling AI features while keeping all of DuckDuckGo's core privacy protections fully active. To get started, open the DuckDuckGo browser on your device. Once the browser launches, look for the menu button located in the corner of the window and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access the browser's customization options. After entering the Settings menu, browse through the available categories until you find the section related to AI features. Depending on the version of DuckDuckGo you're using, this area may be labeled as Duck.ai, AI Chat, AI Assist, or something similar. Open that section to view the available AI-related controls. Inside this menu, you'll find options connected to AI-powered functionality. These may include integrated AI chat tools, AI-assisted search features, or other experimental AI services that are built into the browser. To disable them, simply switch off the available AI options. Once these settings are turned off, the browser will return to a more traditional browsing experience without AI suggestions or integrated chat features appearing throughout the interface. Many users prefer this setup because it creates a cleaner environment with fewer distractions. It can also make browsing feel more straightforward if you don't regularly use AI tools while searching the web. It's important to remember that disabling these AI features does not affect DuckDuckGo's privacy-focused protections. Features such as tracker blocking, private search, cookie protection, and the fire button will continue working exactly as they did before. Your privacy settings remain active and unchanged. If you'd like to further reduce AI-generated content, select the option labeled Open Search Assist Settings. This will open an additional configuration page where you can customize how AI-generated results appear during searches. Within this menu, locate the setting for AI-generated answers. Click the drop-down menu associated with it and change the option to Never. This prevents AI-generated answers from appearing in your search results. You can also choose to hide AI-generated images by enabling the corresponding filter. Once you've finished making your changes, click Save and then exit the Settings menu. Your preferences will be applied immediately. If you ever decide you'd like to use these features again, simply return to the same settings area and re-enable them at any time. And that's how to turn off AI features in the DuckDuckGo browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.